guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. So either way, I am thankful for you being here. So today's video is a spring clean with me for 2025. So this is actually part one. We're going to be starting off in the kitchen and dining room area. So my main focus today is checking off some of the things off of my to-do list, with spring being right around the corner. So if you are also doing some spring cleaning, let's get motivated and do it together. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I always appreciate you guys for being here, and yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to pop my to-do list on the screen. First thing I'm going to do is clear out my kitchen and place everything to the side. I wanted to completely empty out the kitchen counters to start my spring cleaning with a blank slate. So the first thing on my to-do list is my oven. I wanted to give you guys a closer look at our oven racks, just so you can see the buildup. So we have been in this apartment unit going on a year now, and the stove appliances was not replaced before we moved in. So you can clearly see the grime on the racks that was left behind. But I have a really easy, simple solution for this. So first I'm going to spray them down with some Dawn Power Wash in the scent lemon. I'm going to let them soak in some warm water, and then I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and then I'm just going to clean out the oven while they are still soaking. For me, cleaning the oven is something I typically do several times in a year, which makes spring cleaning a little bit more easier because there's not a ton of food buildup. But all I'm going to be doing is using a little Dawn soap. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to take a clean microfiber cloth and wipe everything down. So this oven is not new, but it does look pretty good and definitely looks so much cleaner. So let me know in the comments if you already started your spring cleaning or if you haven't quite got around to it. So how do you guys typically go about your spring cleaning? Do you follow a to-do list, or do you just clean randomly as you go? I have definitely found over the years going by a to-do list helped me stay on track and to be a lot more thorough in my cleaning. So for the oven racks, I will be using these pumice sticks I picked up from Amazon. I am going to first wet it and gently go over a few spots where there's a lot of buildup. Then I'm just going to wipe them over with some warm water, and it is spotless and amazing how brand new these oven racks look.
But your lips are worth
So next, it's time to take care of the fridge. So I am going to use my spray away stainless steel cleaner to wipe the entire front of the refrigerator. When I spring clean, I like to work from the top to the bottom. So once this is all clean, I'm going to get my step stool and clean the top of the refrigerator because I want to make sure I am getting every inch of dust that is up there. So next I'm going to take care of the top of the stove. I'm going to give you guys a closer look at what it is looking like. So you're going to see a lot of sprinkled cinnamon. You probably can guess what Soraya and I have for breakfast this morning, but it is definitely due for a deep cleaning. I'm going to be removing the stove burners and the drip bowls because if we're deep cleaning, we have to handle the drip bowls, right? So it's going to kind of be similar to the method with the oven. So I'm just going to hand wash them and let them soak in the sink with some Dawn power wash while I'm cleaning the top of the stove.
Get to know ya. 이미 시작된 걸.
We're going to be doing the kitchen cabinets. Now, there's so many ways you can clean them. Lately, I've been seeing tons of people using their cedar mops and wipe them down, which seems like a really good idea. But since I've already had my step stool out, I'm just going to keep it simple. So I'm just going to use my microfiber cloth with some Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Daisy. I just love this stuff. It smells really good. But anyways, we're just going to take care of the upper and lower cabinets. I'm also going to be doing the backsplash, counter, and exhaust hood, which is also on my list. So we're going to be doing that all at the same time. But this had my apartment smelling so good. Favorite spring cleaning chores to clean is oddly the baseboards. I don't know, it's just so satisfying to me. I am using a Mr. Clean magic eraser pad, and you can see how all of the dust and dirt is just coming right off the baseboards. Another hack for cleaning the baseboards are dryer sheets, which not only keep the baseboards clean and repel to the dirt and dust, but it also make the entire house smells extremely good. Moving into the dining room, I'm going to be using my extendable duster and some multi-purpose cleaner to clean off the ceiling fan. So apparently I am really short. So this extender duster definitely came in handy to reach these blades. So I'm just going to brush along the top and bottom edge of the blades. There was a little to no dust on the duster, but a hack if you do have like tons of dust on your ceiling fan is to use the pillowcase trick. So what you would do is you would spray the inside of a pillowcase with some multi-purpose spray, put it over the blades and gently pull as you is wiping, trapping all the dust inside of the pillowcase. Really simple, huh? The last task on my list is the kitchen sink and drain. So first I'm going to start by using the soft scrub cleaner, which work really good on faucets and sinks. It also do really well on tubs and counters and other different surfaces as well. I really love how sparkling clean it gets my sink and faucet. So I like to use a generous amount everywhere because once I start scrubbing, it lifts up the grime and gross buildup, especially in the corners of the drain where the stains kind of collect. once everything is nice and clean, I'm going to drop 2 of these Plink Fizzy Drain Cleaners in the lemon scent down the drain. But that is going to be the end of today's video. I hope this video gave you guys tons of spring cleaning motivation. If so, and if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.